It's very grey, the sky.
Yeah. Pretty girls walk like this.
So that's us just heading back to the car now. And then we're going to go along to the private beach. Why? Just say yeah. Do you see how they used to build walls here? They just grabbed rocks and slate and...
They don't look like rocks.
Slate?
Like, oh, they're like
It's
wood.
natural stuff.
Yeah, they're like wood, but they're actually rocks when you touch them.
Yeah. And then all the roads used to be built with cobbles. Like this road here.
Look at that.
What are we looking at? The mountain.
Yeah. Can we go up there? Library and reading room. There's a library here.
It's a place to rent and stay here. There's no sun there, so there will not be any diamonds on your face. They probably just throw glitter on his face.
Oh, it's just editing.
Look at that. It looks fake.
Hello, Dicky Ducky.
Oh, I thought it was fake.
It's not fake.
It was standing
Look,
still
it's
for so
walking.
long. Maybe he's a robot.
Are you a robot?
Remote controlled duck.
Ah, you believe in that theory. Let's go to the beach. Let's give it away. Gotta stay what? I gotta
I don't think you can beatbox. Nice try though.
I'm not trying to beatbox.
What are you trying?
I'm just messing around. Plus filling station. They call it filling station in the Philippines.
Call it petrol station.
They call it gas station.
Petrol station.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go.
So this is...
I don't know if they can hear it in the camera, but your car is like noisy for the standard of Scottish people, but in the Philippines it's still quiet. Cause
Loch Lomond. Les is back there. This is Loch Lomond.
I see. Wow, there's houses there.
There's a hotel there as well.
Let's go to the beach. Let's go to the beach. What? I got that on camera.
Let's cut that bit out.
There's so many Asians here. There's so many people like me. Nothing came anymore. Thank you. So we got juice.
So it's called Frae Beach, and it's for like camping.
Is this where you went camping before?
Yeah, this is where we came camping before. But people come here with canoes and stuff. We camped like right there where the grass is.
Well, look at that.
We'll step across there.
Look at that.
Yeah, it's from the hills. This is all fresh water, drinking water. And this is where you do your business. If you walk all the way around, there's much more to see. People camp up there. And the top bit there. Oh no, too high. Like the middle bit, like on the grass. See where the grass is? Yeah, just there. And then
It's like a rainforest up there.
yeah, a little bit. I think it just rains here and it's a forest. I don't think it's a rainforest though.
It is a rainforest.
No, just a forest. I mean, so every forest in the world, if there's rain there, is it a rainforest?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah. What is who?
Who's what?
For that is 2 by 2. Ow!
This is our beach. This is what we grew up on.
This is your beach?
Yeah, there's no
Oh
sand.
guys, this is their beach. Oh my gosh. So sad. This is their beach. Look at that. Babe, your beach is like a river in the Philippines. Just like these stones can be found in the river in the Philippines.
This is what we do for fun. Pick up a stone, bigger the bear.
See?
It splashes.
He destroys the nature.
Wait, this is not destroying.
The calm and elegant nature of Scotland.
This is
He's trying to destroy it.
This is Scotland. Every child in Scotland picks up a stone, throws it, and makes a big splash whenever
And
they
now,
go to the beach.
the mermaid is mad.
Whenever they go to the beach. Or Nessie. Is it Loch Ness? No. Is Loch Ness in the Loch Ness? No, I think Loch Ness is a different one. Go here. There's a big log and you can climb on it. Actually, you might be too small to get on top of it. So I will climb on it and then I'll record you not climbed on it.
What if I manage to climb up there?
You can buy dinner tonight if you climb up there. No.
No, there's rain on it. It's just a fog.
Yeah, it's just fog. When we were camping, this is where we would sit in the evening. We'll climb on it. No.
The water is clear,
Yeah.
which is I love. Let's go to the beach. Let's give it away. Gonna say, what are you gonna say?